Next up, Lamang connection for Banshee. In this, we need to retrieve the evidence from Banshee and report back. For this, you will need the BP hut key, which is the Banshee hut key, in order to open the room here. When you travel across to Banshee, all the way on the far east side of the map, you'll see the Elder's house that we've been to before, this big old thing over here, and just next to it, this house with an eye on it. This is the one that we need access to. When you run up to the store, you'll need to use the BP hut key in order to unlock it, as you can see. Then, just inside, on the table at the back right over there, so this one back here, you'll see organization notes on the table. You can actually see them here. These are the notes that you need to pick up and take back to spawn. The only difficult part is finding the BP hut key if you don't already have it, as it's super annoying to get into. Anyways, once you have that, you can return back to base and you're practically done with this mission. So hopefully this quick video helped you. Once again, I'm right over here in Banshee, near the Elder's house, the house with the eye on it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.